India and other countries. Exercises. Q. AK. Choose the right option and rewrite the sentence. The country that has a free international border with India. A. Pakistan. B. Bangladesh. C. Nepal. D. Myanmar. Answer. The citizens can travel freely to either countries and even do trade or apply for government jobs. Q. A. B. Choose the right option and rewrite the sentence. The countries that have tensed relations with India. A. Pakistan and China. B. Nepal and Bhutan. C. Myanmar and Maldives. D. Afghanistan and America. Answer. With Pakistan, India faces trouble over Kashmir's division, usage of nuclear power and difference in the worldview. With China, India has differences over the border issue and the status of Tibet. Q. C. Choose the right option and rewrite the sentence. Factors that have an influence on the relations between India and Pakistan. A. Difference in the worldview of both the countries. B. Kashmir issue. C. Nuclear rivalry. D. All of the above. Answer. India and Pakistan have disagreements over all the above mentioned factors. Q. Though. Explain with reasons whether the following statements are true or false. A. India has an important position among the South Asian countries. Though Sino-Indian relations are friendly. 3. India sent a peacekeeping force to help the Sri Lanka government. Answer. 1. True. Explanation. In the Indian subcontinent, India is the biggest country in terms of land. It is also technologically and economically advanced, which makes it politically important. Though false. Explanation. India and China have had conflicts over the Aksai Chin area and McMahon Line in Arunachal Pradesh. China's increasing control over Tibet also has caused disagreements. 3. True. Explanation. After 1985, Sri Lanka faced internal conflict between the Tamils and the Sri Lanka government. So, India sent a peacekeeping for the Sri Lanka government's aid. Q. 3. Complete the following chart. Answer. Q. Chart A. Write short notes. Shimla Agreement. Answer. India wanted to solve Indo-Pak conflicts through bilateral negotiation, avoiding the military alliances made during the Cold War. Shimla Agreement of 1972 was made in this spirit. Q. Chart B. Write short notes. Indo-Nepalese Friendship Treaty. Answer. Indo-Nepalese Friendship Treaty of 1950 permitted the Nepalese citizens to enter India freely. It also gave them access to the government jobs as well as trading in India. Q. Chart C. Write short notes. McMahon Line. Answer. China refused to agree that McMahon Line in Arunachal Pradesh is an international border and claims it is Chinese territory. The border dispute went through unsuccessful talks and caused the Chinese attack in 1962. Q. Chart D. Write short notes. Indo-Afghanistan relations. Answer. India has extended immense help towards Afghanistan even through the political instability. It has helped in building roads, communication and health facilities and ending terrorism. India also aided in the establishment and development of a democratic government. Q. 5A. Answer the following questions in brief. Explain the background of cooperative relations between India and America. Answer. Background of relations between India and America. A. America has been the most important trading partner of India. It increased after India turned to a free market economy. Though, after the Cold War, military cooperation has considerably increased. 3. Numerous Indians migrate to America for education and work, which has contributed to the cultural and social relations. Q. 5B. Answer the following questions in brief. Give some information about the efforts taken by India for the establishment of democracy in neighboring countries with examples. Answer: Efforts by India for establishing democracy. 1. India freed East Pakistan from the domination of West Pakistan, which led to the emergence of Bangladesh with a democratic government. Though India has aided Afghanistan in matters of security, development and health to establish democracy, freeing itself from the terrorist organization of Taliban. 3. India sent a peacekeeping force to Sri Lanka when there was political conflict between the Tamils and its government. Q. 5C. Answer the following questions in brief. What is the role of South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation? Answer: Role of South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. 1. It was set up in 1985 to promote economic cooperation between South Asian nations. Though it is a platform for the nations to address questions of poverty, trade, agricultural development, and technology. 3. South Asian Free Trade Area was formed through a treaty between the nations, and South Asian University was also established. Q. 6. Give your own opinion about. What remedies would you suggest in order to reduce the tensions in the relations between India and Pakistan? Answer: Remedies to reduce tension between India or Pakistan. 1. Bilateral agreements. Agreements of trade and defense helps in avoiding disputes and building trust. Though negotiation, dialogues regarding issues is the best way to prevent rivalry between the countries. 3. Exchange of ideas and culture. Increasing connections between citizens through media can increase empathy of the governments. Q. 6B. Give your own opinion about. Do you agree with the statement, hurdles are created in the way of internal development due to tense relations of India with neighboring countries? Explain with reasons. Answer: Yes, hurdles are created in internal development. 1. Conflict with countries over border can put India under the threat of an attack at the border like the Chinese attack of 1962. Though disagreements with nations can become an obstacle in the trade activities between the two countries, which in turn may affect a lot of people. 3. Tense relations with neighboring countries can lead to increased military alertness, which destroys a peaceful environment. Q. 6C. Give your own opinion about. Do you think that strong, healthy relations of India with America are conducive to India's economic development? Answer: Yes, relations with America are conducive for Indian economy. 1. The technological development of America can be used to promote the facilities in India. Though numerous opportunities open up for Indian citizens in education and jobs. 3. India can also benefit from the military technology of America, which would strengthen defense. Project. Q. 1. Obtain some information about the foreign tours of the President and the Prime Minister. Answer: Foreign tours of Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, has been numerous. He has visited USA over 5 times, as well as the major powers like France, Germany, China and Russia. He has visited to promote economic, diplomatic and cultural relations. Foreign tours of Ramnath Kovind, President of India, has been much lesser than that of the PM. He has visited Mauritius, Madagascar, Zambia etc., with the aim of increasing specific relations with these nations. Q. Though, find out about youth exchange programs of different countries. Answer: Various youth exchange programs. 1. India-Russia National Cadet Corps exchange program has been happening since 2003. The delegations have visited places like St. Petersburg, Belgorod, Kursk etc. Though India US Kennedy Lugar Youth Exchange and Study Program by the Bureau of Educational and Cultural Affairs of US. The students arrive as youth ambassadors to build lasting relationships with the host countries. Theme: India Malaysia Knowledge Transfer Youth Exchange Program has been a step towards increasing relations between both nations. It includes activities in education, art, culture, science, and political understanding. 4. India Sri Lanka. It aims at improving mutual understanding between the youth of both countries through dialogues, arts, and cultural exchange.